This year's Fijian Tourism Expo has been exceptional. Exceptional from the fabulous opening ceremony, which underscored what Fijian tourism epitomizes, and to the event packed 3 days that we've had. On the first day, there was not a dry eye in the house. Fiji, where happiness finds you, is not mere words for us. It is what we live and what we breathe. It is our togetherness, our solidarity, and our ability to find similarities in our differences that has defied all odds and has enabled the emergence of Fiji that you see today. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my first Fijian Tourism Expo as the Minister responsible for tourism. And I must say I'm delighted with the overwhelming response received and look forward to seeing the results of meaningful partnerships that have been created over the last 3 days. I'm informed about 14,000 odd appointments were facilitated in the past 72 hours between buyers and sellers, and this is an absolutely extraordinary achievement. I'm also pleased to announce that our Fijian Crafted Village has received a lot of success with Fijian crafted products that have also been, and they've established new market links with hotels such as Tokariki Resort, Kamea Resort, Nanuku Resort, and Castaway Island Resort, and Matamanoa Island Resort. Pacific Destinations has also linked up with the crafters. Orders totaling up to about $7,500 have already been placed with the crafters, and JAXA Fiji has signed on 2 artisans for the supply of crafts worth about $6,000 a month. So this means a fantastic result for our Fijian arts and crafts. Furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, there's a My Fiji store which undertakes online marketing, which will promote Fijian potteries online, which is a first for our crafters. Ladies and gentlemen, in the past 7 months, the tourism industry has experienced a surge of new investments, mainly in properties around Nadi and other areas. And these are exciting times for the Fiji tourism industry. And the new developments will increase the overall room inventory and the number of properties that will cater for the diverse needs of our visitors. I wish to reiterate the point that I made in my opening remarks on a sustainable development and protection of our environment. We need to strike a balance, ladies and gentlemen, between development to improve living standards for our people and the sustainability of the resources that are being used for that particular development. It is a responsibility of not only the Fijian government, but of each individual in this room today, buyers, sellers, and the media, to get the information out there on the absolute need to practice the sustainable utilization of our resources so that they are protected for future generations. Fiji has now embarked, ladies and gentlemen, on a green growth journey with a clear vision of where we want to go and how we want to get there. With the use of the right technology and innovation, we need to work towards the greening of the tourism industry. I'm proud to say that this has already begun, with the resorts moving to the use of solar energy to reduce the use of non-renewable resources and embracing measures to protect the marine environment, such as the mangroves, the turtles, and other marine species. Our pristine environment, ladies and gentlemen, diverse marine life, beautiful clear waters, and clean surroundings are our natural branding strength in Fiji, and we all need to work together to ensure that our global image is never tarnished. Today, I've had the pleasure of being part of an announcement of some sustainable development projects by the Outrigger Resort, which includes Tanawa Treks, Walking the Sustainability Walk, Amanuda Environment Society, and Keeping the Islands Pristine, and wonderful Nukumbati Island Resort. And that's basically protecting the Southern Hemisphere's 3rd largest barrier reef. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank the exhibitors for supporting this year's FTE. It is the only event that provides an open platform to promote Fiji as a tourism destination. And from the feedback that I have received over the last 3 days, the majority of you regard it as a worthwhile investment and a valuable opportunity to forge new business. To the international buyers and media partners from all over the world, thank you very much. Big vinaka vakalevu for all your efforts in marketing the unique experience that Fiji offers to the people world over. I hope this expo has renewed your appreciation of our diverse culture and our most prized asset, our people. And as you prepare for your journey back to your respective countries, we hope that you take with you not only the beautiful memories of our home, but also the range of activities and products that will enable you to market Fiji and make more profits. This event would not have been possible, ladies and gentlemen, without the support of the private sector. So we are proud of this public-private sector partnership that has given such a boost to the Fijian economy in its various sectors and industries. Ladies and gentlemen, above all, I hope this has been a successful and enjoyable experience for you all. And for our visitors, I hope you have enjoyed our Fijian hospitality, and we look forward to seeing you all again next year, along with as many new faces as possible. Ladies and gentlemen, it would be amiss of me not to say thank you to a very important person and a very important team that has made this possible. That is the Executive Chairman of Tourism Fiji, Mr. Truman Bradley, and also to Sally Cooper. Big Vinaka Bakalego. Thank you, Sally, for making it bigger and better this year. I have just something small that I wish to say to you all before you leave, and I hope it sticks in your heart. Remember when you leave our shores that this is a place of love and where happiness finds you. And our happiness stems from our pristine environment and our culture. And all of those that send people to our shores should be reminded of this. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Vinaka.